Hey guys, enter the stars. And this is a Tesseract. And it means time. Here on American Idol, we see the Tesseracts in full display, along with American Idol 8. 8 is time. The first person to invent the word Tesseract was this guy by the name of Charles Howard Hinton. And he first talked about a Tesseract in 1888 in his book, A New Era of Thought. Now, he also developed cubes in his books to help conceptualize the fourth dimension. Now, these are what they call time projection chambers. One of these was placed into Hoover Dam in you guessed it, 88. Notice the figure 8. Notice the sine wave that they actually call out here in the distribution of the electrons. Again, different website, different device. And again we see the figure 8, the sine wave. Now in the movie Edge of Tomorrow, the Omega is a creature that they fight that controls time. And eventually, the character, played by Tom Cruise, goes alone to find the Omega to destroy the time loop. And he ends up going to a dam. But the Omega is not there. And here's the scene of the dam. And then we look here, and of course, 1988, double eights, double infinity symbols, double time. They inserted a time device into Hoover Dam, according to this article. A time projection chamber. So it's no mistake that he used the word Tesseract in his book in 1888. We're getting closer to the truth, you guys. Let's figure out what all this means. Take care and be safe.